People have asked me, what is Twitter Blue? So that's what I'm gonna try to explain today. So here we are on my Twitter page, and to find what Twitter Blue is, we have to click More, and then you see here Twitter Blue. So as you can see at the bottom here, it's a subscription service for $2.99 a month. And the question is, what do you get for those money? Well, their first point here is undo tweets. Typo, forgot to tag someone. Give yourself time to preview and make changes to your tweet before it goes live. And that works for iOS, Android, and web. For me, that isn't worth $3 a month. If I make a very big mistake and I don't realize it until I post it, all I do is I copy my original post, I delete that post and create a new one and go in and edit. Then we have point number 2. You can get news without the noise. Ad-free articles. You get the same articles that you get without Twitter Blue, but without the ads. Top articles. Ad-free articles is just as you can see for iOS and the web, while top articles is for iOS, Android, and the web. I don't use my Twitters to read articles, so for me this is not a motivation to pay $3 a month. Then we have the reader, and this has to do with articles as well, and that is for iOS, Android, and web. Don't know if that is important to me. The third argument is customize your Twitter experience. You can bookmark folders, you can customize your navigation, you can use exclusive app icons, and you can choose a new theme color for your Twitter experience. Out of these, it's only bookmark folders that work for iOS, Android, and web. The custom navigation, app icons, and app theme only works at this point for iOS. I don't feel the need to customize my Twitter experience. And the last point we have here is get early access. You can upload longer videos and you can have pinned conversations. So the first one, the videos, is only for the web, and to pin a conversation is only to iOS. Neither of these is something I feel is very important to me. So after looking at that, I personally have decided not to even try Twitter Blue. I think in the future, if they add more to Twitter Blue, I might at least try it. I hope this answered your question. What is Twitter Blue and should I subscribe? Hej då!